Hello and good morning. I'm grateful that you can join me as I take my weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's a new week, Monday, March 18th, 2024, 9 o'clock in the morning, overcast skies at 8 octa, temperature it's below freezing at negative 0.7 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is rising at 1009.2 millibars, and the air quality reading is very low, which means the air is crisp at 0.4 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Precipitation wise, well, yesterday we had a treat. We were showered with moderate to heavy snow pellets, or also known as grapple, and that actually made the sight so wonderful. Everything's covered in white. But then, of course, the temperature was above freezing the whole time, so it did not last very long. It melted eventually, but nevertheless, let's check the rain gauge to see how much we got over there. So from the grapple and snow pellets, we got, I'm not sure if you can see that, 0.4 millimeters. And this will be entered in the CoCoRaHS.org website under station ID CANWARN646. Well, I'm not sure if you can notice, the trees are swaying this morning and it's quite windy. And for fellow meditators, that actually reminds me of this expression called going with the flow, or letting the laws of nature unfold naturally. And there's this great meditator guru, Dr. Tony Nader, actually used the analogy of an airplane. That if you can imagine, an airplane is basically a chunk of big metal, heavy metal, and yet it can fly. And what it does is, the reason why the plane can fly in the sky is, instead of resisting the wind, it letting the natural laws of nature to its advantage, in a sense that using the pressure gradients, meaning the pressure difference between below and the upper area of the wings, it creates that lift that allows the plane to fly. And like life, on a daily basis, we face events, challenges, circumstances, and like the wind, it will blow you left, right, up and down in many directions. And instead of resisting it, use the laws of nature to your advantage. Let that challenge look for you different perspective. Let the challenge force you to look for different ways to go with the flow, and hopefully you can then leverage that and able to fly or overcome any challenges you have at that moment. Don't resist it. The more you resist it, the harder it is for you to move forward. Well, friends, wherever you are, windy or not, remember that the sun is always there and the clouds shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day. See you again tomorrow. Take care.